Are you tired of your videos losing quality when you send them via Gmail? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated process of sending high-quality videos through Gmail on your PC. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your Gmail dashboard and click on the Compose button. This will open a new message window where you can start crafting your email. Now, to attach your video, navigate to the bottom of the message window and click on Insert Files using Drive. This option allows you to take advantage of Google Drive's storage capabilities, ensuring that your video maintains its original quality. After clicking that option, a window will pop up for you to select the files you want to attach. Browse through your Google Drive, select the video, and click on Select. You can choose multiple files if needed. Next, you'll see an important step at the bottom of the page, deciding how you want to send your file. You can choose to send it as a Drive link or as an attachment. If you want to ensure high quality, sending it as a Drive link is the preferable choice. Finally, once you've made your selection, click on Insert. Your video is now attached and ready to be sent. And there you have it. Sending high-quality videos through Gmail is quick and easy with these simple steps. Happy emailing!